Yes, sir. You already know this boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. You don't like to waste nobody time. Today we're gonna be touching bases on AMC Entertainment. I done touched bases on this stock a few times. In my previous videos, if you go back, I've told y'all once. I told y'all I was gonna do a nice downward trend before this thing could even take off. If it take off in a short period of time. We know in the long term it's going to go up in value if the things get back to running in the world, everything start opening back up. Long term, we know for a fact it's going to go up. But in a short period of time, I was telling y'all in all the previous videos, I said if it once it breaks $6.32, it's off to the $5 range. Right now, up in pre-market, opened up, it closed and opened up in the $5 range, $5.90. So I already had told y'all in the previous videos, and now that we're in the $5 range, we're going to be looking at the chart and seeing where it can go from there. So stick around. So, for the ones that don't know, if you're new to this video, AMC Entertainment, one of the largest movie theater companies in the world, and it's being crushed right now by short sellers. And everybody, it's at a very, very fair price, especially if everything, the world get back in motion to how it was before the pandemic. This thing could really skyrocket. So a lot of people is scared right now. They scared because this thing been dropping for the last couple of days. This thing been getting hammered by the shorts. So I look at that as opportunity. I look at it as a good sign because nothing goes straight down in the stock market and nothing goes straight up. So let me just share a little couple things with y'all. Let's see what the journalists and stuff have to say about AMC tanking like this. Let's read it. What happened? The stock of AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol AMC, continued the wild ride Monday that started with Reddit's Wall Street Bets investors last month. Shares of AMC dropped after a major shareholder converted share classes, allowing it to cash out. Shares were down 12% as of 11:55 a.m. So a big shareholder, a major shareholder, probably a large asset company, somebody like BlackRock or something, they basically sold a portion of their shares, and that's what made it drop even more. They got scared and they shook out and got out as well. So would AMC revealed in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filing that on February the 1st, Wanda America Entertainment, a unit of China Wanda's group, converted its AMC Class B shares into Class A shares in order to permit sales of its common stock. The February 5th filing did not reveal the number of shares that were converted. Wanda Group is a parent organization of AMC Theaters and shareholders of AMC Entertainment. It also did not report that the organization has sold any shares. It didn't report that the organization has sold any shares. So now what? Investor reaction today seems to indicate a view that it's a major shareholder may be cashing out. Other investors should too. Even after a more than 70% drop off recent highs related to the Reddit frenzy, AMC shares are still up over 180% from where they began in 2021. We're still up over 180%. The company itself has raised this good to know right here. This something to also to help them from going bankrupt. The company itself has raised much needed capital during the stock price rise. AMC announced a new equity offering, raising $305 million on January 27th. After a year of pandemic-induced theater closures and movie release delays, AMC needed to strengthen its balance sheet. The money raised should allow the company to avoid bankruptcy. Its CEO said in a statement on January 25th, but the dilution comes at a cost for existing shareholders, and some continue to take advantage of that recent rise in the stock, Okay, y'all, so let's take a look at it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. Let's see what the chart reading to us. Let's see what it's trying to tell us it's about to do next. So let's take a look in it. Okay, right now we're trading at about $5.90 at the pre-market. If we go back a week ago, You see right here at $6.32. Well, I was telling y'all, once it breaks 632, it'll go to the $5 range, and that's where we're at right now, $5.91, because it broke that 632. And then also, now that we're in the fives, we could potentially hit 496. And once we hit that, we could potentially go back down to the threes, 350, to the high twos. We could potentially, that's what the chart is reading, we could potentially get there, guys. So, you know, you want to be prepared, not surprised. If you was one of the ones that put all your eggs into one basket on AMC, I would consider shortening your position, backing out some of the shares. I would sell some of the shares and then bought back in once it hit 3 or 2 or 450. Or I would catch it back on the run up before it takes off too fast. So basically, if I got all my eggs in one basket, I would shorten my basket up to try to minimize my losses and be able to so I can have some firepower to buy some more if it reached $2 again. So, and then a year ago, then we seen back on the chart, we seen just now on the chart that if it hits at that 591, that this is at a crucial point for another downward spiral or upward trend. Because at 591, if we get to $6 and then get to the mid-range sixes, like 620, 630, we could get to 7 quick. We could get to 7 quick. And once we get to 7, we can get to 8 and 9. It'll be in the bullish trend. If we break 591 and get to the mid-sixes in a quick amount of time, we could get to the 7s even faster. And we could be in an uptrend from there, because this thing was being hammered hard. I told you, it's going to shake the hell out of a whole lot of investors before this thing rip up. And once it shake the tree all the way down, it's going to have a reverse and go up probably super, super fast. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing y'all the stocks I'm in, the stocks that I'm trading, and showing y'all my opinion on these stocks. Please do your own research and due diligence. So, and then I told y'all, like I told y'all yesterday in the video when I made AMC, I was down 1,000, still smiling, still happy, because I don't put all my eggs in one basket. And I might desize my position. I might sell a few shares, but I'm gonna be getting my shares right back. I just don't want to continue to lose money on the downtrend if I know from the chart on where it's going. Why hold right here at 7 when I can sell a few shares and get back in at $3 a share? And that'll bring my average cost down. So on the ride back up, I got more potential to make more money. Hope that makes sense to y'all. So that's all I got for this video. The market open, y'all. Let's get to work. You already know this your boy B Hayes. If you like these type of predictions, these type of updates, this is exactly where you need to be. Consider subscribing to the channel. It's your boy B Hayes. We out, y'all. God bless.